In a quiet village nestled between vast mountains and dense forests, there lived a man named Ravi. He was a simple man, a carpenter by trade, known for his dedication to his craft. But Ravi carried a heavy heart. His father had passed away when he was young, leaving him with nothing but a small, unfinished bridge project and a single piece of advice. Build not just with your hands, but with your heart. For years, Ravi worked tirelessly, creating furniture, repairing homes, and earning just enough to survive. The bridge his father had started remained untouched, a broken pathway leading to nowhere, covered in vines and forgotten by the villagers. One day, a terrible storm struck the village. The river that divided the land overflowed, sweeping away the only bridge that connected the villagers to the market on the other side. Panic spread. Without the bridge, farmers couldn't sell their crops, children couldn't go to school, and life seemed to halt. The village elder called a meeting. "We must build a new bridge," he said, "but we have neither the wood nor the means to do it quickly." A silence followed. Then, Ravi stood up. "I will build the bridge," he said, his voice steady but uncertain. The villagers murmured in doubt. He was a carpenter, not an engineer. Could he really build something so crucial? But Ravi wasn't listening to their doubts. He was remembering his father's words. For the next several weeks, he worked relentlessly. He used old wood from abandoned houses, borrowed nails from blacksmiths, and studied every book he could find about bridge making. His hands bled, his back ached, and exhaustion tried to break him, but he didn't stop. One night, as he sat alone by the river, exhausted and doubting himself, an old man approached. "Why are you building this bridge alone?" the man asked. Ravi sighed. "Because my father wanted me to finish what he started." The old man smiled. "Then you're not alone. Your father's hands are in yours. His dreams live in your work. Keep building." Something in Ravi's heart reignited. He continued his work with renewed energy. Soon, the villagers, seeing his determination, joined in. The blacksmith crafted iron nails, the farmers brought bamboo, the children carried water for the workers. What was once Ravi's lonely mission became the village's shared purpose. Months later, the bridge stood tall and strong, connecting both sides of the village once more. The people rejoiced, celebrating not just the structure, but the lesson it carried. When one person believes in something enough, others will follow. As Ravi stood on the bridge, looking at the flowing river below, he whispered, "I built it, Father, not just with my hands, but with my heart." And in the gentle breeze that passed, he felt an unseen hand on his shoulder, a silent acknowledgement that his father had been with him all along. Moral of the story: when you build with passion and perseverance, you don't just create structures. You build connections, trust, and change. The unseen bridges we build in life often become the most important ones.